Welcome to another Home Economics online class. Today we're making chicken curry with coconut pancakes. So download the recipe, the link is below. This recipe serves one person and you will need the following ingredients. A quarter of a small onion chopped, half a chicken breast, half a cup of stock, a quarter of a cup of coconut cream, a tablespoon of oil, a teaspoon of curry powder, a clove of garlic and ginger, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, a quarter of a teaspoon of coriander, a half a teaspoon of chili flakes and lemongrass. For the pancakes you'll need an egg, shredded coconut, coconut milk and plain flour. So let's begin. Heat the pan and add the oil. And we're going to saute the garlic and the ginger, the lemongrass and the chili. We're going to cook this for about 1 minute. Now we're going to add the chicken. And we're going to cook the chicken for 3 or 4 minutes. Until it's brown on both sides. Now we're going to add the onion, the chopped onion, and we're going to allow that to cook for about 1 minute. Now it's time to add everything else, the remainder of the ingredients, to the pan. And you're going to allow it to simmer for 20 minutes and the liquid will reduce and then it is cooked. While that's happening you can make the pancakes. So add the coconut milk, add the egg to the coconut milk and you're going to whisk them together. Then sift the flour and add the coconut and stir to combine and set aside for 10 minutes. Prepare and fry the pancakes, so add butter to the pan and then add the batter to the hot pan. Gently fry the batter and when you see bubbles forming around the outside edge, you can flip the pancake like this. Add more butter if required and you're going to repeat this process until all the batter is used up. This amount should make approximately 3 pancakes. Serve, enjoy, Home Eco Online.